What's up, guys? So today I'll be showing you how to get unlimited Gmails. This is for educational purpose only. Don't use it for your dark business. So first of all, what you need to do is to head over to your browser and search for Google Skill Boost. Then click on this first one here. So let's allow it to load. Go over to this place and click on sign in. Sorry, yeah, sign in or join any of them. Sign in, click on sign in with your Google. So you choose any of your Google accounts and sign in to the platform. Okay, so click on this explore catalog, come down here on formats, click on formats, then tick the lab. Okay, so click on this A tour of Google Cloud sustainability. Okay, so click on start lab. Click on this. You have to solve this puzzle first. Traffic lights. This 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's all. Should be all. Okay, so once you are done, automatically it will generate a Gmail for you. So this is it. You can just copy this Gmail. This is a password. This is for project ID. So you just copy this Gmail. So let's go ahead and test it. Okay. Let's open YouTube. Let's open YouTube. Click on sign in. Okay. You paste the Gmail you copied. Click on next. So you go back to copy your password. Come here, copy the password, this password. Go back. Paste it here. Click on next. And okay, I understand. Okay. So let's wait for it to load. And this is it. So you can start turn on. You can start watching
10 most expensive things I own. These are 4 human-sized dog beds that I use.
go to home. Can even subscribe to people's and subscribe to
This exam was only for very
and subscribe to anybody's channel. So you can actually use this stuff to get watch hour on your YouTube channel. Just create multiple of it, but just try and use VPN to change your location. So that is if you have a long video on your channel. So that's it. Please, if you find value in this video, do subscribe and like and share. Thanks for watching. Yeah, bye.